Alright, today we're going to learn how to dissect word problems. Sometimes it can be difficult to know what type of problem you're going to do when it's all put into big words. So what's the first step? Boom, you ask yourself a question. Do you know the total? I don't know. Let's find out. If you don't know your total, the answer is simple. It's an addition or a multiplication problem. It can only be one or the other. Say you do know your total, subtraction or division. Those are your options. But also, you want to look for one more thing. Keywords. Keywords are going to tell you what type of problem it is when you get to narrow it down to the two. Let's check out a word problem for ourselves. Alright, there's a guy named Tim. Tim has 24 blocks total, and he wants to share them equally among 4 friends. How many blocks will each friend get? There we go. There are our blocks. But are we going to add to them? Subtract away? Multiply them into more? Take away? I don't know. Let's look at the problem again. Do we know our total amount of blocks? Yes, we do. So what does that mean? That means it can only be subtraction or division. So long, addition and multiplication, you're unwanted here. You are useless. So in the realms of subtraction and division, what kind of problem can it be? Let's look for keywords. Do you see any keywords? Yes, there we go. We're going to share them equally. Also, let's pay attention to the underlined question. How many blocks will each friend get? First, let's put them into groups. How many groups we're going to have? 4. 4 groups. So what's that problem going to look like? 24 individuals into 4 groups? Huzzah! 24 divided by 4. Now, how many 4s can fit into 24, you ask? 6. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. But how can we prove that? There's 1. There's 2. We still have blocks left. 3 groups. 4. 4 equal groups of 6 blocks. So that concludes it. So next time you're faced with a tricky word problem, ask yourself, do you know your total? Bisa.